Hey everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel. As you know, the beginning of February was the first channel's anniversary, so I had a little giveaway for subscribers. As you can see, today is the time to clean the mess off my table and sum it up. So there were overall 32 participants, mostly from the United States and Ukraine. And the winner is Irina from Kharkov. Irina, once again, congratulations on your winning. And as you know, your prize is on its way. Unfortunately, we weren't able to reach the 1000 subscribers milestone by February 20th. But regardless, in the last month alone, the channel gained more than 100 subscribers, which is great news, so I'm sure 1000 milestone is not far away. Going forward, I'm planning to have more giveaways like this one. Also, as I mentioned before, I'm hoping to start a new project this year. The spring is here, so hopefully it's gonna happen soon. Perhaps you noticed that aside from the DIY repairs and maintenance videos, there are some other topics that are being covered now, such as Canadian International Auto Show in Toronto. Who knows, maybe there's gonna be more reviews soon. I wanted to thank all my subscribers for their attention and feedback. I'll do my best to make and release videos consistently. That's it for now. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and also leave your comments below and hit that subscribe and bell buttons for more videos on this channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.